Itong Department of Information and Communications Technology naka-heightened alert bukas kasabay huya ng malaking kilos protesta na inaasahan ang napakaraming dadalo di lamang sa Pilipinas kundi sa iba pang parte ng ating bansa. Ang assessment naman para sa threat ay patuloy na pinoproseso kaugnay pa rin ng naturang malaking kaganapan. May balita si Bombo Grant Hilario.
Inihayag ng Department of Information and Communications Technology na sila'y naka-heightened alert bukas kasabay ng mga inaasang kilos protesta laban sa korupsyon. Ayon sa kasalukuyang kalihim ng kagawaan na si Secretary Henry Roel Aguda, mananatiling nakalagay sa heightened alert ang status nila sa darating na linggo. Paliwanag niya, ito'y upang mabantayan maigi ng kagawaan ang anumang online harm o online threat na posibleng pagmulan at makaapekto sa isinasagawang mga rally. Kanyang sinabi na ang paghahandang ito ay siyang pawang katulad noong halalan, katuwang ang Commission on Elections. Nakabantayan niya sila maigi, lalo na sa digital space, matiyak lamang na magiging payapa at maayos ang idaraos ng mga kilos protesta kontra sa maanumalyang flood control projects.
Well, etong this weekend, since do sa like yung sa COMELEC, so we activated the same COMELEC protocol. So the monitoring center has representatives from different law enforcement. So we have the telcos in our threat monitoring center to observe and to lend their expertise there. Social media platform are also monitoring, and our friends from the cybersecurity community nandun din. So nakabantay po tayo to make sure na peaceful po lahat yan.
Habang ibinahagi ni Secretary Aguda na kanilang hindi tinututulan ang demokratikong pamamahayag ng taumbayan ng kanilang mga saloobin hinggil sa issue. Kaya't patuloy din aniyang aktibo ang isinasagawang pagbabantay maging ng Threat Monitoring Center ng Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center, lalo na para bukas.
We support the democratic expression of the people, di ba? And we want to keep it safe from harm also, physically and digital. Yun namang Threat Monitoring Center natin, which is under CICC in Quezon City, has been active ever since. So ginamit namin yan sa COMELEC, and nakita nyo naman yung nangyari doon sa election pala, midterms, nakita nyo naman sa midterms, maayos naman na itawid yung election ng walang major incident. So, and that has been active during the illegal online gambling campaign, active pa rin siya. On this weekend naman, active din siya.
Gayunpaman, positibong ibinahagi ng kalihim na sa ngayon ay wala pa silang nakikitang malaking banta o online harm at threat kaugnay sa isasagawang mga kilos protesta. Base sa monitoring nito sa mga social media platforms, kapayapaan naman raw ang karamihan at kadalasang panawagang nakikita online.
We're closely monitoring it, and so far, we consulted the social media platforms. Most of the chatter are peaceful and encouraging people to peacefully express their opinions. Kung may makita kami dyan na mangilan-ngilan na hindi peaceful, we will act on it immediately. And the platforms and the telcos will make sure na they proactively police that also. We want to keep the streets and the digital airwaves as peaceful as possible.
Mula sa lungsod ng Quezon, Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Basta Radio Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.